Okay, first time this year. Oh, there we go. First time this year. What is today's date?
20th.
May 20th, 2010. Time about 8:15 p.m. So much more brilliant, it seemed to have dimmed down a little bit. Before I was looking through the binoculars, 10 by 50. It had a pulsating white streak, and you could barely see it coming out the bottom there. But I could see it very clearly in the binoculars. Yeah, it's like a white something or other. There's no other stars in the sky. I just zoom around. You see clouds. It's twilight. The moon's over there. There is no other bright object. Except for that one right there in front of you. And there he is. So, the funny thing about it is it kind of moved from the west to the east, different than the normal stars. Kind of rotate somewhat from the east to the west from an observer's perspective. So it sticks out like a sore thumb to me. Vaguely see the white, it's like a streak or something that protrudes out the bottom and it goes away. It's almost like a I don't want to say a lightning bolt, but it's definitely something. And it's not just the optics on this camera. I could see it much better with the 10 by 50 binocular, so looks pretty weird. Oh shit. Oh shit. I missed them. Oh wait. There they are. There's the puff of smoke. Oh, there they go. Beautiful. Two. Another puff of smoke. Here it comes. Shit. I almost missed this one. There's three of them. Come on. It's just cruising along the sky. Saturday, 12th of June. Right over the house. Let's zoom out so you can see. There's the clouds. There's the little peep. This star is not supposed to be where it should be. There shouldn't be anything up there except for the bright one that's what, Sirius? Or Jupiter, or whatever people call it, that should be setting in the east right about now, and it is. And this has the same luminous intensity, but yet it's right over the house. Here it goes. One orb. Oh boy. There it goes. That baby, there we go. 1, 2, 3. Come on down, brother. One more dropping. 4. Oh shit, 5, 6, 'Perfect. Gotta zoom back a little bit. We're getting out of my range of view. I gotta have to put that on manual focus.